Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am sharing with you how I packed this box for a girl 5 to 9. I made this a standard box because I wanted to show you that you do not need to make a themed box to make a good box. So there isn't a theme, just a few items that go together as well as some of the colors. I find it best to put the flat things at the bottom, so here is her pencil pouch with elastic cord for making jewelry. I put it in her pouch so it wouldn't get lost, plus it lays very flat. Now when you are using cardboard boxes, you can secure them with duct tape if you would like to. She has a navy blue tank top. I find it difficult sometimes to fit clothing in, especially when I'm adding runners, but tanks and other undergarments fit in pretty easily, and this is a size 7/8. For her coloring, she has Color Yourself stickers. I find these at Pharmasave for $3.99. I love these and I think she will enjoy them. It's great there's picture instructions on the front as well. Her notebook, I like that it has a hard cover on the front and back. It just helps to keep the paper inside more protected. A little journal that I will fit snug right on the side. Now her wow item, I find these at Walmart marked down to $5 from $15. The color combo is really pretty. I find shoelaces fit perfectly at the toe part. Now these shoes may not need laces, but these can be used for other things as well. A pair of slip-on socks. Her brush and mirror. I love giving the kids a mirror, and it will be extra protected in the shoe. Underwear tightly bound with hair ties. Another pair, these are all size 8. And then this pair will fit right in the heel area. So she has 3 pair of underwear. And I still have room to slip in 2 toothbrushes. And a slide whistle. Hotel soaps. Now these I found at my local thrift store, and these are face and body soap bars. This is a pouch I found at Dollar Tree. It doesn't fit pencils, but I put her scissors in it. Sequin items are great for sensory. Now the tail bends pretty easily, so I will just slip this right under the shoe on the side of her box. Her pretty tote bag. And then another great sensory item, this is a satin headband. And then she has a bralette inside of this little sack. I found this at Dollarama for $2. It's great quality, very comfortable, and it's Hanes brand. her other shoe. Now in this shoe I will be adding in some of her school supplies. So she has pencils and colored pencils. And if you have any questions for me down below regarding Operation Christmas Child, or things regarding packing your shoe boxes, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer them. And I will also have Operation Christmas Child website linked below in the description box. In case you're new or you want to just learn more, I will have their website linked down below. And then I gave her some pretty pink and white striped Scotch tape. And again, you want to use that space. So I put a little bouncy ball in there. A nice eraser for school. Now this is her little soft friend. This is a Hideaway Pets. This came from Dollarama for $2 and it's very soft. So this she can roll up and roll out, and I think it'll be a fun little surprise when she pulls it out of her shoe. Here is her pencil sharpener, and again you want to use that space in the sharpener. So I am going to be giving her some glittery washi tape, and then again I'm using that space in the circle. I'm putting in a couple eraser tops, and then for something glittery and fun, a little keychain. And it fits right there in the back. Another mini composition book. A bell on a necklace. These bells have a very pleasant sound. They are great quality, and I just picked them up in bulk from Michael's. I'm going to be adding in a third hotel soap bar. Now OCC recommends us to put our soap in a Ziploc bag, so I just squeeze the air out as much as possible, and I'm slipping it right in between the two shoes. And then this was a great find. This is from Michael's. It was normally $7.99 and I found it for 79 cents. So I'm just trying to figure out the best way it fits in. And I did take that sticker off. So that's a very nice quality bead kit. And again, her cord is at the bottom of her box. This is a pair of body glove socks. Now I'm going to show you, but there's a little empty space in the corner that I can slide these right into. Now the very last thing that I'm adding into her box is this soap saver. I love these. I get these from Amazon. They have holes in them so they breathe. The soap inside would not mold, or it shouldn't mold. It's breathable, and I'm just going to put her soap inside of it just to reassure her that it's a soap saver. And that is my box for a girl 5 to 9. I will be including a note and picture as well. I have heard that the items the children treasure most tend to be the note and picture from the family that packed their gift. And prayers for the child and the family are something I include as well. Thank you so much for watching, and happy shoebox packing!